Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Using VPN nowadays is important to enhance your security online and hide your IP address and your personal information. And today we're going to cover 5 free VPN extensions that you can use right now to stay protected and private online. So without further ado, let's get started. The first extension we're going to cover today is Touch VPN. Touch VPN is a great free VPN extension that will help you unblock any censored content and visit any website that is not available in your country. To use Touch VPN, first install the extension, then you can click on the extension icon and choose the server you want to connect to. For this video I'm going to select best choice. Now click on connect. Touch VPN is available for Android, iOS, Windows and Mac OS. The next extension on our list is Hotspot Shield VPN. Now this one is one of the most popular VPN extensions. What's amazing about this one is that they offer some amazing features to block ads, malware, trackers and cookies, but sadly all those features are only available in the Pro plan. To use Hotspot Shield VPN, click on the icon and then click on connect. With this extension you only have access to one server, which is the United States server. You can also install Hotspot Shield on your computer, and you can also use it on Android, iOS, Mac, Linux. The next extension we're going to cover is ZenMate VPN. This is another free and easy to use VPN service. They offer you free countries that you can choose from, and you can install it on all your web browsers. To use ZenMate VPN, click on the icon and then choose the server you want. For example, I'm going to select Germany. And now you're connected. You can also install ZenMate on your other devices, but that's only available for the Pro and the Ultimate plans. That will also let you have access for more countries and servers, but for casual use the free plan is enough. And the next extension on our list is BetterNet free extension. Just like the other extensions on this list, it's a great free extension with the better option on the premium plan. To use BetterNet, simply click on the icon and click on connect. With the free plan, you only have access to one server, which is the United States server. It's a great extension that works well and fast enough. And the final VPN service on our list is TunnelBear. I used the software version from this extension a while ago and it worked well. With this extension you are required to create a free account, but what's great about this extension is that you have access to more countries than the other tools on this list. And you are limited to 500 megabytes per month. And now if you watch the video so far and if you use any of these free extensions, you know that these are freemium apps with limited options and features on the free plan that will make you eventually buy the premium version. For casual users, these extensions are more than enough, but if you want more, then you have to go with one of the Pro plans of these extensions. And don't forget that there are better free options. For example, if you are a Brave user, you can open a private Tor window. This is a free and unlimited way to access the internet. You can also install the Tor web browser. Now this one is more private and secure than any free or premium VPN service that you choose. And if you use Opera web browser, don't forget that they offer a free VPN service that you can try. And in the end, if you know any great free VPN services, then please share them with us in the description below. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until I see you next time, bye.